Story of Has and Have. There were two friends named Has and Have. They lived in a small English village. Has was a little serious. He always stayed with he, she, and it. For example, he has a red bike. She has a cute puppy. It has big wings. Have was more friendly. He stayed with I, you, we, and they. For example, I have a notebook. You have many friends. We have a car. They have two cats. One day, Has and Have decided to teach the village children how to use them. The children smiled and said, "Now we will never forget who is with Has and who is with Have."